channel. Today's video is gonna be September's Boxycharm. So if you want to see what we got in September's Boxycharm, definitely keep on watching. Alright guys, so I went ahead and I clipped my hair back and I did my eyebrows off camera. Today, as I said in the intro, we will be doing our Boxycharm unboxing. So let's see what I got in this month's box. You know, you can see your card and your protective film and all your products. This month's box is Glam Vibes only. So I'm going to pull out the biggest thing that I see so far, which is this palette. It's an Alamar Cosmetics Spanglish palette, which looks like this. And this palette retails for $28. It is a pressed pigment palette. So it is very beautiful. It comes with 8 shades. So the next thing that I see that is pretty big is this Kate Somerville exfoliant. So this is what it looks like. I've never tried her products before, but I've heard they're good. I'll let you know if they're good or not. I'm currently using the Huda Beauty exfoliator. So this is what it looks like. And all products should always come sealed, so I'm not going to open that, and I'm not going to use it right now because it's an exfoliant. So I'll put it down below if I liked it or not and how it reacted with my sensitive skin. So the next thing I see in this box is this makeup sponge. It looks like this. Oh, I'm sorry. The exfoliator is $85. Wow. So this is $85 and it is a full-size product. So that's a win. It's already worth way more than the box is monthly. The box is monthly $25, I believe. And this product's $85, so come on. This paid for the box and more. So the next thing that I was showing you was the BDB sponge, which comes in a box like this. And this is called a $1 billion beauty sponge. It is infused with charcoal. And this sponge is worth $15. Perfect for highlight, concealer, and foundation. It is really good at dispensing product onto your skin and helping it look smoother and filtered without a filter. So let's see if that's true, because I'm really picky when it comes to my sponges, and I really just believe that you don't need to spend a lot of money on your sponges for them to work really well. So the sponge itself, I did take it out and I did wet it. This has doubled in size, but this is what it looks like. You know, it looks like a classic beauty blender, and then it just has its logo on it. So the next thing in the box, which I'm super excited about and I will be using, is the Huda Beauty Matte and Metal Melted Shadows, which looks like this. It comes with 2 sides, a shimmer side and a matte side. And let me open it for you guys. I do follow Boxycharm on Instagram, so I can see what they're gonna post and like their sneak peeks of their boxes every single month. And this month they had a couple of good things. For example, they had the Huda Beauty liner in there this month, which I already own, but it was in the box. Someone else got it. But I was super excited about that too, because this liner is so good, but it's $21, I believe, but it's so worth the money. This is so good, guys. I will also be using this in the video today because I have an eye look in mind that hopefully will come out right. So yeah, this is what this looks like. It's the Huda Melted Shadows, and this is worth $25. Last thing in the box is the Laura Geller Volumizing Mascara, which looks like this. It is the Lash Boss Bold Mascara in the shade Black, and this is worth $24. So let's see how good she is, because I am very picky when it comes down to my eyelashes. Currently, I am in love with the Benefit Bad Gal mascara. This is so good. It is volumizing and lengthening, so this is really good. I think this is only $21 and this one is $24. So this is supposed to be a stretch lengthening mascara that is incredibly soft, smooth, and flexible formula, and it's supposed to feel silky. So when you open it, just has a classic chunky brush. I don't see anything special in the brush, but I mean, hopefully it'll perform like it's saying, miracles. At the end of the video, I'll let you know my opinion on this month's box and if it's worth your money. So I'm just gonna go in with Haha. That's a weird name, but okay. I'm gonna use this brown right here. The shades do have a little bit of kickback, but a lot of palettes do so. I'm gonna put that in my crease as a transition shade. And with that same brush, I'm gonna go with Ika Cute, which is this pink right here. The shade names are something else. So maybe this palette doesn't have every shade that you might need to create a look, because I'm looking for like a darker brown. So I'm just gonna take like a more precise brush and start to build up this brown shade on the outer edge of my eye. That did pretty well at deepening the outer edge, so I'm not mad at it. So next I'm going to use the Melted Shadows from Huda Beauty. So I've never really used something like this before. So let's see how that goes. I'm going to apply a little bit of it and then I'm going to go ahead and blend it out with a different brush. Just because that'll give me a precise application versus just using the applicator. So that gave me kind of like a cut crease type of vibe. And then after that, you can just go back in with the darker shade and blend it. So I'm gonna do the same thing on the other eye. That looks so good, guys. I don't know if the camera's picking it up, but it looks really, really good. The next thing that I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do a little bit of a liquid liner, a graphic liquid liner with the Huda Beauty Life Liner. And I'm gonna use the liquid liner part. I'll go ahead and try their mascara. This is the Laura Geller mascara. So far I can tell that it is a watery formula. Not the biggest fan of watery formulas. I feel like it takes a minute for them to build up. I don't think it lives up to what it says it is, which is a lengthening mascara. I don't believe that it is because my eyelashes don't look any longer. Alright, so this is what the eyes are looking like after the eyeliner and the eyelashes. The mascara is a fail for me. I mean, I'm gonna keep it because mascara is mascara, but this one I wouldn't recommend buying for $25. I feel like that's just too much money for this one. It's not worth it to me. But now I'm going to move into the foundation. I have a full coverage foundation because this look looks snatched. So I'm going to go ahead and use this beauty blender and the Huda Beauty Fox Filter High Coverage Foundation. I have mine in the shade 220N Custard. Okay, so far this sponge is doing all right. Do I feel like it's a must, like you need it? Definitely not. It does the job, but I feel like I need to work more with this sponge than other sponges. All right, so I'm back. My makeup is done. I actually like a lot. I really like the way this look came out. The graphic liner was a little intense to do because it was my first time, but I think I did pretty decently for it being my first time. As for finishing my makeup, I used the Huda Beauty Fox Filter foundation, and then I used the Fenty Beauty concealer. I sealed the deal with my Huda Beauty powder. And then I used two bronzers, Give Me Sun and Private Island by Fenty. And then for my blush, I used Kylie Jenner's blush in We're Going Shopping. Just looks like this. For my highlight, I used the Artist Couture Summer Haze highlight. And it's just like this golden pinky shimmer, so it kind of reminded me to the eyes. And for the under eye, I did a little bit of the brown from the palette, a little bit of the pink, and I just put that same mascara on my lower lashes. Nothing really that special. And then a little bit of the Huda Beauty liner on the waterline. So that's about it. All in all, this month's Boxycharm was pretty good. The only thing that I think was man down was this Laura Geller mascara. It didn't perform the way that they said it would. Also, the sponge. This sponge is not my favorite. You know, it does what it's supposed to do, I guess, puts your makeup on. But I think that there's more affordable options out there that work better, like my Wet n Wild sponge or my Eco Tools sponge. This sponge is so good, and it's only like $5. So this one I'm gonna have to give a thumbs down as well. So the mascara and the sponge I didn't like, but as for everything else, the eyeshadows were really, really good. I have not tried the Kate Somerville exfoliator, so I'll let you guys know what I feel about that. So that's my opinion on September's Boxycharm. Let me know if you guys are subscribed to Boxycharm down below, and as always, I'll have all the details in the down bar below, social medias, what I used on my face, and yeah. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and join my family, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys.